Welcome to Straight Up Math, a channel where I deliver a math concept as simple as possible. If you'd like to try similar problems seen in the video, I've included a link to practice problems in the description below. When you practice, be sure to check your answers. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask them in the comments section. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and send me suggestions on other problems you'd like to see. In this video, we're going to subtract fractions with uncommon denominators. And if you look at our problems, we have a 12 and a 4 on the left in my denominators, and we have a 9 and a 10 on the right, and none of them are equal, so we don't have any common denominators here. So in order to do this, just like with addition, we need a common denominator in order to perform these operations. So let's go ahead and get that common denominator. So I'm looking at 12 and 4, and something that both of those go into is 12. 12 goes into 12, and 4 goes into 12. So I don't need to do anything to this 5/12, but I do need to change this fraction over, and so that I have a denominator of 12. Well, in order to do that, I need to multiply by a 3 there, and multiply by a 3 there. Now I multiply the bottom by 3 because that's going to give me the 12. Now why do I multiply the top by 3? Because in the big picture of things, what is 3 over 3? That is 1. I am multiplying this fraction by 1, which keeps its value. It doesn't change the value because anything times 1 stays the same. But I am changing the looks of it. So let's see what happens. So I have 5/12 minus 3 times 1 is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. So see, change the looks of it. I multiplied by 1. 3/12 reduces down to 1/4. So I know these two are the same, but I'm using 3/12 because I need that common denominator. So let's do this. We got 5 minus 3 is 2. And then make sure you don't change the denominator. It says 12. Now looking at this answer, I can still reduce this, which I'm going to. 2 and 12 is both divisible by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So my answer is, when I have 5/12 minus 1/4, after all this work, I come out with 1/6. So let's go ahead and do this next one. So I have 7/9 minus 3/10. And I'm thinking, what do both of these go into? And I think it's going to be 90. I don't think there's going to be anything below 90 that both of them go into, so that's what I'm going to go with. And so I am going to multiply this fraction by 10 over 10, okay? Because that 10 times 9 makes the 90 that I want. And I'm going to multiply this fraction by 9. Well, excuse me, it's going to be 9 over 9. So 10 times 7 is 70. 10 times 9 is 90. So there's my 90 on the bottom that I wanted. 9 times 3 is 27. And 9 times 10 is 90. So I'm good to go with subtracting the tops here. So I got 70 minus 27. Well, I need to do that work up here. 70 minus 27, because there's some borrowing I need. So I borrow here, make that a 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 6 minus 2 is 4. So it's a 43. So I have 43 over 90. And I just need to check to make sure that this isn't reducible. And I don't think this is reducible. I think 43 is a prime number. So I don't think there's anything that I can divide out of here to reduce it like I did over here. So that is how you subtract fractions with unlike denominators. Visit our website to practice more problems like the ones you saw in the video. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.